Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Volkswagen Polo Comfortline, stock reference number 4027. This shape runs from the 5th month 2014 through to the 9th month 2017. It has a CJZD 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. CJZD 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, radiator grille, left power door mirror, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right rear tail light, right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door appears to have no damage, right guard appears to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black cloth center console lid, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.